Welcome back to Cyber Learnings, your go-to channel for all things in tech. Today, we will show you how to unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone. Let's dive in. Step 1. Access the Watch app. First, locate the Watch app on your iPhone. It's recognizable by its distinctive icon. Once you've found it, tap to open. Step 2. Navigate to all watches. Inside the Watch app, you'll notice a menu at the top. Select All Watches. This will provide you with an overview of all the watches currently paired with your iPhone. Step 3. Choose the watch to unpair. Scroll through the list and identify the Apple Watch you wish to unpair. To initiate the unpairing process, tap the eye icon next to the chosen watch. Step 4. Unpair your Apple Watch. On the details screen, you'll find the option to unpair Apple Watch. Confirm your decision. Keep your watch in close proximity to your iPhone during this process. Step 5. Apple ID verification. You might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity and finalize the unpairing procedure. And there you have it. Your Apple Watch is now successfully unpaired from your iPhone. Don't be surprised if your watch restarts. This is normal. You're all set to explore new possibilities or pair with a different device. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Cyber Learnings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for awesome content.